Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to fill the campus placements form. First of all, you need to register yourself in the portal. For that, I have made a separate video. I will attach the link in the I button. You can refer that. So for filling the form, you need to go to the ICI campus placement portal and then click on campus placement for newly qualified CAs. Then click on students and then fill the required details and sign in. Here you can see 4 tabs: dashboard, profile, campus interview and campus result. In the first tab, dashboard, all the information has been given, which ICI has already released in its announcements PDF. So इसमें कुछ नहीं करना रहता है, but in profile tabs you will have to fill all the information. Here in the first page you will find all the information about campus, and at last there is an undertaking. You will have to click on submit and then form window will appear. ये फॉर्म काफ़ी डिटेल्ड रहता है, सो इसमें रेज्यूमे अपलोड करने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं रहता है. इन दी पर्सनल डिटेल टैब यू विल हैव टू गिव योर ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड देन क्लिक ऑन सेव एंड कंटिन्यू. नेक्स्ट है एजुकेशन डिटेल्स. इसमें सारा डिटेल्स भरना रहेगा, एंड अगर तुम्हारा 10th में CGPA है देन उसको परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट कर लो एंड देन गिव ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन. देन कम CA फाउंडेशन का डिटेल्स. Here you will have to provide the month of passing, year of passing, percentage of marks, rank if you have any, and attempt count. Same goes for CA IPCC and CA final. अगर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में एग्जाम्स क्लियर नहीं हुआ है देन क्लिक ऑन सब्सिक्वेंट एंड अटेम्प्ट काउंट लिख देना. एंड अटेम्प्ट काउंट के लिए यू विल हैव टू कंसिडर ऑल योर अटेम्प्ट्स. इफ एनी यू हैव स्किप्ड एनी ऑफ द अटेम्प्ट्स देन यू हैव टू कंसिडर दैट ऑल्सो. Like for example, if your first attempt was due on May 2021, but due to some reason you have not appeared for that exam and appeared in November 2021, then also you will have to count it as 2 attempts. Below this, if any other courses you have pursued, then you will have to also give information regarding that. Then click on save and continue. Then comes training details. पूरे फॉर्म में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट यही वाला हिस्सा है, दिस वन एंड वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. सो इसको काफ़ी बारीकी से भरना. First of all, you will have to give your MCS details and the certificate number and the date of completion. Then membership details. If you have a membership number, then you click on yes, or if you have not applied yet, then click on no. It will also ask you for the expected date of applying for membership number. So वो कुछ भी दे देना, उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. Then आता है training details for CA course. Indicate your training in reverse chronological order, that is, latest detail should be entered first. This means that if you have taken transfer from one firm to another firm, so the last one should come first. So here you will have to give the name of firm, the location, training from and training to. All the information you will have to give as per your form 102 or 108. Then number of partners in CA firm, nature of work you have done in your articleship. Here there is a drop down where there are many information like financial and management accounting, taxation, management service. So you can click on everything. Even if you have not done anything related to IT or financial and management accounting, click on all the checkbox because it will increase your shortlisting chances. And इससे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है, तुम्हारा इंटरव्यूअर तुम्हें नहीं पूछने जाएगा that whether you have performed anything related to IT. Then the most important field, other areas if any specify. Here you will have to give keywords which may probably increase the chances of shortlisting. This is not a mandatory field, but इसमें ज़रूर से ज़रूर सारी information लिखना जो भी तुमने आर्टिकलशिप के टाइम किया होगा. I have also made a separate video on this. You can check the I button and use those keywords to increase your chances of getting shortlisted. Then you will also have to give the client name for whom assignment has been done. Click on the I button. Here they have provided an example, XYZ Limited. So if you have done work related to any listed client or some companies, then you should provide their names instead of giving name for sole proprietorship or partnership firms. Then give the industry name for whom assignment has been done. यहाँ directly industry का नाम मत डाल देना. First click on I button. You will find that they have given an example. First you will have to write the client name, then slash, and then the industry name. But all these 3 columns, other areas, client name and industry names have a word limit. So after you have filled all these three, in fact the full page, click on save and continue and again come back to this page to check whether anything has been deleted or not. If you have taken transfer during your articleship tenure, then click on the plus button and fill all the information in same manner. Then comes industrial training information. Here also you will have to provide the information in same fashion. Then click on save and next. Now you will have to move on to the work experience wala tab. Here also you will have to indicate your work experience in reverse chronological order, that is latest details to be entered first. So after your articleship, if you have any work experience, then you can give the information here and it gives the added advantage to you. So यहाँ मंथ वगैरह डालना रहेगा कि कब से कब तक उस फर्म या कंपनी में थे, नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, लोकेशन, एम्प्लॉय स्ट्रेंथ, ग्रॉस सैलरी ड्रॉन, डेजिग्नेशन, एरियाज ऑफ वर्क, area of current specialization, areas of current industry specialization, and then click on save and continue. Then there is also a tab related to hobbies and achievements. Here they are asking if you have obtained any scholarship, certificate of merit in studies, prizes in debate, etc. So for all, click on yes even if you have not got any certificate, because it will increase your shortlisting chances. And even if you give yes in all, they will not ask you for certificate, so it is better to give yes in everything. Then hobby का field है, add on multiple hobbies, press enter key after typing each hobby. So here you can mention some good hobbies like reading books. Even if you don't like reading books, you can mention here, because the interviewer is not going to ask any question regarding this. Apart from this, you can mention all your hobbies here, but don't keep this column blank. Then click on save and continue. Then the next tab is related to job preference. So यहाँ कुछ questions पूछ रहा है like posting anywhere in India. Click on yes. This will increase your chances of getting shortlisted by a company that has pan-India offices. Then they are asking if you have passport or not. Even if you don't have, it is preferred that you click on yes. Whether transferable, post acceptable, यहाँ पर भी yes. In fact सारे columns में यहाँ पर yes click कर दो. The recruiter wants a flexible candidate. So अगर कहीं भी तुम no डाल देते हो, it will show that you are rigid. Even if you don't want to get posted anywhere in India or any place outside India, at least give the interview. And afterwards, if you don't want to go, then don't give your consent. Then they are asking for the preferred kind of industry. Diversified, BPO, service industry, manufacturing and like. Here also click on yes in every column. No डाल के कोई भी फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. It is better to give yes in everything. Then they are asking for preference for area of work. Would you like to work in all the following areas of work? यहाँ भी yes click कर दो. Then they are asking for your category. Give all your information and then click on save and continue. Then आता है available venue का tab. Here you will have to select the big center which you must have decided at this point of time. Then select the small center. Here you can select anything, because if after big campus gets over, big center campus gets over, the window will again get open and you can change your small center accordingly. Then you will have to upload your photo and that photo will appear in your ID card. Then they are asking to upload your CV. I don't know why they are asking to upload CV, because last time तक ये option नहीं था. Also they have given for mockup center. ये column भी first time ICI ऐड किया है. Then click on save and continue. Then they will be asking for declaration. So इस पेज में final submit होगा. So एक बार फिर से वापस से जाके पूरा फॉर्म को चेक कर लो and then click on final submit. And then payment window आ जाएगा. After filling the campus form fee, you will be done with the form filling process. In the campus interview tab, you can see the names of company that has shortlisted you from 1st March. And after the interview process gets over and the company has selected you, you can give your consent in the company result tab. So that is it for today's video. Please stay tuned for more of such videos.